Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day so far. So, a little bit of a different video today. I've been out of commission for a week. Last video that I posted, the GMC Sonoma with the clips being wrong and the oil line blew out. Shortly after that, I wound up hurting myself. And basically that's kind of the point too that I want to get to. Don't get yourself, I've been so busy it's been ridiculous, but don't get yourself so busy that you don't take care of yourself. And that's kind of what I did here. So I've been out of commission, and let me just show you real quick. So yeah, that's me. I haven't even been able to get on my computer. Here's my girl Gigi. Hey G. And she's been helping me out. Oh, that's it, just walk away. She's been helping me out, keeping me company while I'm basically bedridden. But today I'm feeling much better. I got myself out of the house. In case any of you guys are wondering, if you didn't know it before, my wife and I, we live in an RV on private property. So here she is. That's our RV. I actually got a power washer. But yeah, I mean, how nice is this? Nice and peaceful, nice and quiet. There's my truck over there. There's our grill. But yeah, I mean, it's I couldn't ask for anything better. This is totally enjoyable. But yes, anyway, on the video that you're about to see, just something interesting that I had found on a Ford Ranger pickup truck. And I did discuss in the video that I was going to put O2 sensors in it. I never verified the problem to begin with. I believe the problem was in the O2 sensors. I did put a pair of O2 sensors in it. I didn't make a video on that. It's basically just replacing two O2 sensors. I didn't diagnose anything other than looking at misfire histories. But anyway, so I did take the thing for an extensive road test thereafter, and I never had an issue with the truck. I never verified the problem to begin with, but it was kind of a good place to start. So the vehicle was returned to the customer that night, and the customer has not complained of a problem since. So I believe the O2s were the issue. I could never verify it, but I believe it was. So anyway, like anything else, or like with every video I make, you know, if you enjoy it, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get back to my channel and actually start answering questions again. I've been so darn busy, I haven't been able to get to it. You know, working 12 hours a day, it's just been ridiculous. Now that I'm off my feet for a couple days, I'm going to get to it now, and I should be able to get through everything over this weekend. But yeah, so enjoy the upcoming video. If you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching. Enjoy this video. Hey guys, so I got an O2 Ford Ranger with a 3-liter. The customer's complaint is that all of a sudden it starts to run terribly and then it clears itself up. So I took it for a ride. Somebody had done a fuel pump on it, but I'm not seeing that as being an issue. But he said the problem started after the fuel pump was done. Okay. So I just happened to notice something looking under the hood, and it made me laugh, and that's what I'm going to show you. But anyway, what happened was I took it for a ride, and everything seemed fine. It seemed to run okay. I never got it to fall on its face or do anything weird. But if I look back on misfire histories, I could see that cylinders 4, 5, and 6, which are all one bank, Ford uses 1, 2, 3 on one side, 4, 5, 6 on the other. 4, 5, 6, every cylinder had a misfire on it. Like two of them were like 256 misfires, and the other one was like 280 something. So pretty darn close to all being the same. So what could create one side only having misfires occasionally? I've seen O2 sensors do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with O2 sensors. We're going to put 2 upstream O2s in this and see what happens. I mean, it is an O2, so it's 20 years old. It's got 100 and whatever thousand miles on it. So it's something that, you know what, that's where we're going to start. We're going to put those in because I can't really verify the concern at this point in time. But what I wanted to show you, which I just found kind of amusing, so I was just underneath the hood, just looking. This thing's been here since last Thursday, because I took Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. So I'm just happened to be under the hood, and I happened to notice this, and it made me laugh. I want to see if you realize what's wrong here. So here is the engine compartment, and I want to just show you this. So I happen to be looking, and I'm looking down at injectors and stuff like that. All right, no big deal. Now look over at the heater control valve. You guys notice something? You notice something that might be a little off, a little weird? Vacuum line does not go there. That's part of the lever. The vacuum line actually goes in back. There's a little nipple at the back of this thing. And as a matter of fact, it's actually, is it broken off? No, it's there. It's just a loose fit. So that's probably why it just fell off. But yeah, somebody had stuck it on the end of the stud there. Yeah, so I saw that. I found it amusing. I just wanted to show you that. Sometimes you see some weird stuff when you work on people's cars. Weird stuff that people do. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that. I'm going to see if I can't possibly heat the rubber up on that little elbow to make it a little pliable, and this way I can maybe shrink it down a little bit and make it fit. If not, then I'll just, when I get it in the shop to put the O2s in, then I'm going to take that elbow off and put a piece of vacuum hose there. That's all. So, anyway, thought that was kind of interesting. All right, maybe I'll make a video on putting O2s in it. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. All right, guys, if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. That's it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.